Hi friends, welcome to Jarvis Universe. Today we will learn about RFID cards, how they work and how they unlock those little doors. They have various applications in offices and even at some train stations. You can see as soon as the person taps their card on the reader, it opens a door for them. As this reader sends a signal to microcontroller which processes it. Let's dive in and make our own RFID program to access doors. For that we will be needing an RC522 reader. It has got 8 pins and let's look at the circuit diagram. We will look at the circuit diagram for Arduino Uno first. As you can see, it is powered by 3.3 volts and all the pins are connected to digital pins of the board. You will find a link in the description for the datasheet of RC522 where you can find description of all the terminals. This circuit diagram is for Mega 2560 which we will be using in this tutorial. As we have digital pins on Mega 2560, so we will be making use of them. These are the connections we have to make. We have to connect 3.3 to 3.3 pin. Rest of them will go to the digital pins of Mega 2560. I have made the connections already. Only thing I have added is I have connected two LEDs, red and green, to terminal 6 and 7. We will define in the program later. They are very simple to connect. You can watch in my previous tutorial. We will be using 3 radio frequency Delhi Metro train cards and the rest 2 tags are provided with this reader. Have a look at the code for this. On the top there are 2 libraries whose link is provided in the description. Then we have to define our SS pin which goes by SDA on the reader. Then we have to define our reset pin. Here this statement is for red LED which is connected to our number 7 pin of PWM. Similarly for green LED. Now instead of writing delay in numbers in previous program, we will make it easier by defining the delay beforehand. So here we have access delay and denied delay. This code is to create RC522 instance. Then in void setup we will initiate a serial communication at 9600 bits. Then we will initiate our serial peripheral interface and similarly MFRC522. Here we are defining our LEDs as output. So this is the initial command where it will say put your card on the reader for scanning, and that time LED red will glow on high. So after defining the initial setup, we will move to void loop where we will write the code for reading and recognizing the RF tags. We will write an if command for looking for new cards. After that it will select one of the cards which we have provided access to. In order to learn the UID tag of the RF tag scanned, we need to write this program so that we can view on the serial monitor. This for command is to look for the next UID or RF tag present. Now here we will define the format of UID of the RF card. As soon as you scan your RF tag, it will be printed on your serial monitor so that you can know which card has been tapped on the reader. Now in this code here we will define which card we are granting access to. Right now the card we are providing access to is ABCDEFGH. This is the UID code of the RF tag which we granted access to. Once it detects this card, it will say authorize access and green LED will glow on high. If some other card is detected, it will say denied access and red LED will glow. As soon as access is granted, green LED will glow and red LED should turn off. So I will write the program for that. See, I have already granted access to 39FA0387, our blue tag. We have to provide access delay which we defined in the beginning. So here we have provided access and denied delay. Let's compile the sketch and upload the program on our Arduino board. We will open our serial monitor. Here it says put your card to the reader for scanning. So let's put our Delhi Metro train card first. It says access denied because we haven't defined this card. To provide access to this card, we just have to copy this UID tag and paste where we have written ABCDEFGH. I have provided access to the blue RF tag. So as soon as we tap it, the green LED will glow and it will say authorize access. Similarly, if I put my red RF tag on it, the red LED will glow and it will say access denied. You can see every time I tap some RFID tag on the reader, the UID tag is appearing on serial monitor. So from there we can copy it and paste it in our code to provide access. We will try again with our blue tag and see access granted again. So we can use this in a lot of projects where we have to provide access through RF tag. Please show your support by liking this video and hitting subscribe. See you in the next video with some interesting code and programming. Ciao.